this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 5th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. The envelopes and order forms are due from the fundraiser catalog on Monday, November 8th. Don't forget, orders can also be placed online. Thursday, November 11th is a teacher workday. No school for students. Picture Retake Day is November 18th on both campuses. Also on November 18th at 4:30 p.m. is a virtual elementary parent training on report cards, progress monitoring, and ESOL. Monday, November 22nd through Friday, November 26th is Thanksgiving break. The elementary holiday shop will be December 6th to 10th. Please let me know if you'd like to volunteer. Wellness Week at the elementary campus will be December 13th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Dvorak, elementary school counselor. I wanted to get on today just to kind of review what we did in October. The month went so fast. We were focusing on bully prevention for the month. Your students signed a pledge to take a stand against bullying, being able to be a buddy instead of a bully. So speaking up against bullying, but also being a friend. So you can ask your kids about it, see how they're doing, kind of check in if they're staying true to the pledge that they signed. They also signed another pledge. The last week of October was Red Ribbon Week. So they pledged to take a stand to make sure that they live a drug-free life, valuing their life, being responsible of what they put in their body. The last day of October, we encouraged everyone to wear red, to stand united in that pledge. Even Sharky, our school mascot, wore red. We celebrated our Sharks of the Month, and so it was a lot of fun just celebrating the success in October. We have more success to celebrate this month as we close out first trimester, so we will be doing a first trimester award ceremony. The parents and guardians of those that receive an award will be invited to come to watch the ceremony. Each teacher will only nominate 6 students, just because we do need to limit the people coming into the school, but we'll have a ceremony after every trimester so you can teach your students to not give up and keep doing their best. But we'll also continue our Star Students of the Week and our Sharks of the Month. Some of you may have also received an attendance letter. Just for first trimester, we're concerned of some students that have been missing school and we do not have any written documentation of why they weren't in school. If it was due to sickness, we just need that in writing so we have your file complete in the procedures for attendance. So thank you for your help in that.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I have some exciting news to share with you. The town of Lantana did a contest for City Government Week and our students won 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. So I'm very proud of them. A big congratulations to Charlize in the 4th grade who won 3rd place. Congratulations to J. Mart, Emily, and Anna in the 5th grade for winning 2nd place. And a big congratulations to Miss Kiernan's 3rd grade class for winning 1st place. They will be awarded Monday evening at the town hall meeting. Parents, please keep an eye out for your child's report card. That will be sent home on November the 18th. That's our first trimester report card. Very important to go over that information and communicate with your child's teacher. That afternoon at 4:30, we will be having a parent night via Google Meet to explain how to interpret the report card and some tips for progress monitoring. So I hope to see you there.
Parents can still sign their student up for the Miami Lighthouse's free eye exams and free glasses program. Please sign up if you haven't already done so, or if your student was absent. The Lighthouse will be coming mid-November for the secondary campus, and they will schedule additional dates for the elementary school if more students sign up. I will email the link to parents to sign up again. Gumbo Limbo virtually visited our 1st, 3rd grade, and 5th grade classes. Let's take a look.
So guys, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miss Alyssa, and I am an educator here at Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. On the call with us, we also have Miss Cassie. She is another educator here with us at the center. And what we're going to be doing today is a fun little virtual program where we're going to be learning all about habitats and animals. 2 things you think he has. And once you mark off the characteristics that you think he has, you need to check off the habitat you think he will live in. Now, if you remember, we met our friend the gopher tortoise in our video, and he likes to dig burrows or holes in the sand. So where would he live that there's a lot of sand and grass? Check off. We are going to check off scales. Oops. And shell, because those are the two characteristics that the gopher tortoise has that we saw. All right, now we have to figure out the habitat that he lives in. And I heard someone say that they thought he lived at the beach, but he does not live at the beach, because remember, he's not a good swimmer, so he doesn't want to be near that water. He'll probably sink if he were to be near that water. So where else would he live? He likes to be where there's a lot of sand and a lot of grass, where he can make his burrows or his holes that are his shelter.
The sand?
Yes, look, see, it's right here.
Okay, the coastal dune, but that's close to the water, friends. Are you sure? We think coastal dune.
Okay, so I hear coastal dune. All my friends, give me a thumbs up if you agree. You think he will live in the coastal dune, where there's that nice, dry, loose sand. There's all those grasses. He can make his holes. All right, if you think it is coastal dune, you are correct. That is where, my friend, the gopher tortoise will live, okay?
Physics classes participated in a paper roller coaster challenge. The students had to successfully navigate a marble through a loop on the track. The paper roller coasters needed enough gravitational potential energy at the start to get through the entire track. High school students learned about the history of Dia de los Muertos in art. They had so much fun creating their face cast masks using plaster strips. Yes, these masks were made using their own face. Students helped each other to make their masks. They sanded and gessoed their masks to prep it before painting. Students took 2 weeks to complete this project. Middle schoolers also had a mask project. They first learned about the history of masks, and then they made their own mask using recycled cardboard and paper mache. They painted their masks and were able to take them home for Halloween. The elementary Sharks of the Month celebrated their achievements by enjoying popcorn with the principal and with Sharky. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.